happened? Did Mommy make it pretty on the wall? Show me. Where is it? Where is it? Is it so pretty? Do you love it? It's pretty? Should we show everyone what we did? We made it for Ariella. You love it? You're so excited? And we made a border on this side. And we did that. And we did that. Ariella, do you love it? You're so excited? Yeah. Do you love what Mommy did to your wall while you were gone? What did I do? What did I do, Ariella? Did I make it pretty? Did I make it pretty? Yeah? What did I do? What did Mommy do? Is that for your dollhouse? Let Mommy hold it? Thank you. Who bought you your outfit? Did your Aunt Ricky buy your outfit for you? Ricky?